Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all, and also let me know is audio and video both are okay. Are we good to go? Let me know is audio video both okay. Are we good to go? So as you know, we have started your crash course series for PPB as well as for the other three subject of your JIB. So this is the session dedicated to your principles and practices of banking, and this is the second class of your crash course series for the PPB. Okay, and this session is going on regularly Monday to Saturday only on Officers Adda 24/7. If you regularly want to join this session, then join the Officers Adda 24/7 channel in the morning at 6 a.m. Monday to Saturday. Okay. Apart from this, we also having special sessions on Sunday. Like Monday to Saturday, you are having a regular sessions. On Sunday, we are having the special sessions as well. And when it comes to the special session for tomorrow, so we have mini marathon session. One mini marathon session is there of your module C for IE/IFS at 7 a.m. on Sunday. It means on 31st of March. So if you want to join this session live, then do come to the Officers Adda 24/7 channel in the morning at 7 a.m. Okay, so this is the special session for Sunday. Now let's move forward, and we are going to discuss certain number of questions on your subject PPB. And as you remember, in the PPB we have started with the module A, because I have told you so many times, like when it comes to the PPB, the weightage of modules will be in the same way like A, B, C and D. The same sequence will be followed for the paper of your PPB, because the weightage is according to the same sequence of module. When it comes to the IE and IFS, this sequence will be not correct. The sequence we have to follow here is C, D, A and B. Or I can say more better sequence. I am writing C here because there are certain basic terminologies that will be helping you out in the module C to understand the module number D. So cover C or D first and then go with the A and B module. This is the sequence. Okay. Apart from that, those candidates who are here for the first time on Officers Adda 24/7, I want to tell you all that this is the channel where you will find the solution of JIB, CIB, your bank promotion exam, etc. Okay, and right now one more important information is there, that on this financial year ending, we are providing JIB Mahapack and as well as CIB Mahapack, as well as JIB and CIB Mahapack at 81% discount with double validity with the lowest price. So right now this JIB Mahapack is available at 5414 amount, that is your 5,414 rupees. That's the price of your JIB Mahapack for the validity of 1 year. Okay, and this will be available for you if you use the code Y496. You will get this offer, and this offer started from 29th of March and it will continue till 31st of March. So if you want to enroll soon, get this offer of financial year ending. Okay, now let's just start with the first question, that is talking about Sybil. Like, which of the following function of Sybil are correct? So there are three statements have been given in front of you. Out of them you have to answer which of the following functions of Sybil is correct. A, B, C or D. So read them very carefully and let me know which of the following function of Sybil is correct. So when it comes to Sybil, Sybil, first of all, it stands for Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. It is what? Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. And when it comes to the Sybil, it provides, it actually is a credit information company which is regulated by RBI, and it gives the credit score. It provides what? It provides the credit score to the individual as well as to the commercial units. Okay, so now it provides a score according to their credit worthiness, according to their credit history or the past history on the loan repayment and the credit card payments. Okay, so that's what Sybil is. It's a credit information company introduced or regulated by RBI, which provide credit score to the individual as well as the corporate. Now, CIBIL is a composite credit bureau which caters to the both commercial and consumer segment. Second, the aim of Consumers Credit Bureau is to minimize the instance of concurrent and serial default. Third, the Consumers Credit Bureau covers credit availed by individual, while Commercial Credit Bureau covers credit availed by non-individuals such as partnership firm, proprietary concern, private and public limited companies, etc. So you have to answer which of the following are correct about your CIBIL. Which of the following is the correct function of CIBIL that you have to answer. So first of all, CIBIL is a Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. It's a credit information company under RBI, and it helps the banks and financial institutions to know about the credit history of a customer, to know about the credit worthiness of a customer. Okay, for both individual as well as commercial. And the right answer is actually here, all of the above. All are the functions which are correct about the CIBIL, which is written here. And the CIBIL score is of 3 digits, that is 300 to 900. Okay, so right answer will be D here. Now, second question. It is asking about which of the following statement are correct. So the certain statement have been given in front of you. Out of that, you have to answer which of the following is correct. The correct statement you have to answer here. First is saying financial literacy stimulates the demand side, making people aware of what they want. Second, financial inclusion activity stimulates the supply side by OECD providing the financial market services what people want. So two statements have been given. For first is for financial literacy and second is for your financial inclusion. And you have to answer out of these two which are correct. So financial literacy, है ना, making people aware about the financial product and services. It stimulates the demand side, making people aware of what they can demand. So it's very obvious when you are providing a financial awareness to the people, when you are making people aware about the financial product and services, then it make them more capable of taking sound decisions. Like this should be done and this should not be done. Like what kind of investment they should do. So this is correct. When it comes to the financial inclusion is simply a process in which we want to link each and every one with the financial product and services at an affordable cost. Okay, so if we want to do what? We want to make it possible that everybody will have the financial product and services available with them. It means right answer is both the statements are correct in context to this question. Financial literacy is correct, financial inclusion is correct, so right answer will be C, both. Okay, right answer will be your C, that is both. Okay, next question we have, what are the objective of our cities? The objective of our cities, there is 5 statements in front of you. Out of that, you have to answer which of the following are the right objective. So let me know which of the following is correct. It is actually Rural Self-Employment Training Institutes. Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. First is saying that the rural BPL youth to be identified and trained for self-employment. Second, the trainings offered to be demand driven. Third, area in which training to be provided to the trainee to be decided after assessment the candidates. Fourth, hand holding support, and fifth, all of the above. Now you have to answer which of the following is correct. You have to answer which of the following is correct. A, B, C, D or E. So which of the following is correct about the Rural Self-Employment Training Institute? And the right answer is actually all of the above. The rural BPL used to be identified and trained for the self-employment purpose. The trainings offered to be demand driven. If somebody wants, then the training will be provided. Area in which training to be provided to the trainee to be decided after the assessment of candidates. Then hand holding support will be available. So answer will be all of the above. All are the objective of your Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Okay, so right answer is your E. Next question. Next we have, which of the following operations of account through a business correspondent allowed? So out of these services, which of these services will be able, which is available to the customer with the help of business correspondent? So first is saying customers can operate their account through a bank business correspondent. Customer can deposit money, customer can withdraw money, or all of the above. So you have to answer which of the following is actually the correct operation, or which of the following is the operation which can be performed by the business correspondents. And the right answer of your will be all of the above. The right answer will be your all of the above. So all are the functions that will be allowed to the business correspondent to be performed. So right answer is your D. Okay, next question. Next we have for online card not present transaction. We are talking about card not present transaction. That's a transaction where the physical card and the people will not be available. You are doing online, you are feeding the details of a card and then you are purchasing something. That is your card not present transaction. So for online card not present transaction, the authentication process is dash. First is saying it is same as that for card transaction done on POS or ATMs, requires digital signature of the card holder, requires an additional factor of authentication based on the information not available on the card, requires a second level password also. So if you are performing any transaction in which you do not present at the particular location and you do not have a card with you, but you are providing a certain information on your card like the card holder name, like your account number, the name on the card, the CVV. If you are giving all these details, so what is the one more additional feature that will help you to control the crimes, so the cyber crime or something, the authentication. So obviously it cannot be same as POS and ATM, not require digital signature, not second level password, but yes, it requires the additional factor of authentication based on the information not available on the card. So CVV is available on the card, expiry date is available on the card, account holder name is available on the card. So apart from this, the another information you are asking for which is not available on that particular card. Okay, so right answer will be your C. Right answer is C. That's the additional factor of authentication. Okay, next we have which of the following are not correct about maximum liability of a customer. Which of the following are not correct about maximum liability of a customer? First is saying BSBD account 5,000 rupee liability, all other savings bank account 10,000 rupee liability. Then we have credit card with the limits up to 5 lakh, 10,000 rupee liability. Credit card with limits above 5 lakh, 10,000 rupee. So which of the following are not covered about the maximum liability of a customer? So a proper table have been given in your syllabus about the liability of a customer. So which of the following is here correct? A, B, C or D? Which is not a correct about maximum liability of a customer? Okay, so above 5 lakh and up to 5 lakh credit card limit is not same. Not 10,000, it is 25,000. How much it is? It is 25,000. So right answer is D. D is not correct. A, B and C liability is correct, but D is not correct. If there is a credit card with limit above 5 lakh, it should be 25,000. Okay, so right answer is D. And you can see this is your table that is very much important. Do remember this table. It defines all the liability of a customer. So in BSBD account, it is 5,000. In all the other savings bank account, prepaid payment instrument and gift cards, current cash overdraft account of MSME, current account cash credit, overdraft account of individual with annual average balance, then credit card with limit up to 5 lakh, that is your 10,000. Then we have all other current cash credit overdraft account 25,000 and credit card with above 5 lakh, it is 25,000. So do remember this limit, it is important. Next question. Which of the following is not a key commitment under the BCBI Code of Banks Commitment to Customers? Question is asking which of the following is not a key commitment. Okay, which of the following is not a key commitment under the BCBI Code of Banks Commitment to Customer? To help customer use their account or service, to sanction loan facility as per the customer's request, to deal quickly and sympathetically with the things that go wrong, and to publish the code. A, B, C or D. So what do you think? Which of the following is actually not a key commitment here? A, B, C or D? Not a key commitment. A, B, C or D? Okay, so we are talking about BCBI Code of Banks Commitment to the customer. So obviously they cannot sanction loan facility as per the customer request. This cannot be performed. So this is not a key commitment. So right answer here will be your B option. The right answer we have is B option. Next question we have here that's talking about bank-customer relationship is a contractual relationship between the two parties and it may be terminated by which of the following ways. So when a customer came to bank to open a bank account and bank allows the customer to have a bank account in their bank, they comes under the contractual agreement, or I can say they have a contractual relationship since then, till the relation between the bank and customer terminated. So which of the following are the ways by which this termination can be done? Voluntary termination, death of customer, insanity of customer, garnish order, bankruptcy of a customer, liquidation of a company. So what do you think? Which of the following are the ways by which the relationship can be terminated of a bank and a customer? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Okay, and the right answer here will be your all. All are the ways by which the relationship can be terminated. It can be voluntary, it can be in case of death of a customer, it can be insanity of the customer, it can be garnishing of order or bankruptcy of a customer, liquidation of a company. So right answer will be your D. All are the ways by which the contractual relationship can be terminated among bank and a customer. Okay, now next. Which of the following are the part of basic duties of a bank towards the customer? So we talk about banker-customer relationship, in which the basic relationship are there as per the services that bank provide to the customer. Now there are certain banker-customer special relationship or banker special relationship in which bank's rights and duties will be counted. So the question is asking which of the following are part of the basic duties of a bank towards customer? Duty of secrecy and confidentiality, duty of reasonable care, dealing with garnishee or attachment order, or all of the above. Which of the following is correct duty of a bank? A, B, C or D? Okay, so obviously this is the duty of a bank to have the confidentiality, to have the secrecy, not to share any information with anyone until and unless there is exceptional cases. Okay, now duty of reasonable care, obviously, then dealing with the garnishee or the attachment order. So right answer is all of the above. All are the part of basic duties of a bank towards the customer. Okay, so right answer will be your D. Right answer is what? D. Next question we have about BCSBI. So question is asking which one of the following is true about the BCSBI present status. So BCSBI we are talking about, first of all, it has been dissolved. BCSBI have been dissolved. It is not working anymore. So first is saying in February 2019, RBI opined that the function of BCSBI are being handled departmentally and advised that the BCSBI to take steps for its dissolution. BCSBI discontinued operation related to the objects of the trust effective from 1st April 2019. RBI has since set up Consumer Education Protection Department, issued the Charter of Customer Rights, and considerably strengthened the ombudsman mechanism to enhance customer protection. It was accordingly decided to dissolve the BCSBI, and all are true. So this is, I have told you that BCSBI is not working anymore. It have been dissolved. Okay, and it has been said that all the complaints will be taken by the customer to the integrated ombudsman scheme now. Hana? So no BCSBI is there. Now you have to answer which of the following statement is true in context to the present status of BCSBI. A, B, C or D? Okay, so right answer will be all are true. Okay, right answer will be your what? All are true. All are the statements which are true in context to your BCSBI. Okay, this is the present status of BCSBI in the country. Clear? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official tips of Officer 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all, and also let me know, is audio video both are okay? Are we good to go? Okay. So let's start. In this particular session, we are going to discuss your PPB subject. And as you know, when we talk about PPB, principles and practices of banking, it is the biggest subject of your JIB, and the paper of PPB will be on 26th of May. So when it comes to PPB, there are 4 modules, A, B, C and D, as all subject of JIB have. The sequence you have to follow in your PPB will be A, B, C and D. The same sequence have to be followed while you are preparing or you are revising your content, because the A and B module have 60% syllabus of your PPB and C and D have 40%. So that's why the same direction you have to follow. Apart from that, in the PPB subject, you have 55 units. How many units are there? There are total 55 units. So it's very important that we focus on each and every module in such a way that in a certain limited period of time we will be able to complete those, because if we do not have a proper dedicated study plan, it is a very huge syllabus and it will take a lot of time to be complete this particular subject. So it's very much important we go according to the study plan and start with the A, then B, then C and D. And also in the PPB paper, maximum question have been seen of case study. And the case study question we will be able to solve only when we have 3 types of skills. Like the first, we should know about the concept. Hai na? Let's say the case study question is on the check. So we should know what is check. The terminology we should know first. Second, we have to remember the act, the section, the law in which the check have been defined. Like what the Negotiable Instrument Act section 6 is talking about. So we should know the law related to the term, okay, or we can say the act or section related to the term. And the third thing, the decision making power. And the decision making power will be as per how many cases you have seen in the bank, like the live cases you have seen, or I can say on the basis of your experience in the banking business or the banking sector that help you to answer these kind of questions. Okay, so do make sure you practice as well while you are completing your syllabus in the conceptual study form. Okay, so let's start. This is our class 3rd of crash course of PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking. So before moving forward, I would love to inform you all that the Mahapack is available at a lowest price right now with the double validity. So Mahapack is available at the lowest price with the 1 year validity, and the price right now is 5,414 rupee only. So this is available till 12 PM today only. If you use the code Y496, you will get this benefit. And if you are confused about it at the last time, what should be followed in the Mahapack, so I would suggest you first go with the crash course, second go with the revision batch, third topic wise test and full length test are very important. Do make sure you give them. And the fourth, numerical batches and the power pack revision batches. All these are the batches you have to follow. Okay, so let's continue with the first question, that is talking about which of the following are the delivery channels in banking sector. Out of these 4 options, which of the following are the delivery channels? First is saying withdrawal through ATMs, micro ATM. Second is saying POS machine through input dealers. Third is saying mobile banking with IMPS. And the fourth is saying all of the above. So you have to answer out of these 4 options, which of the following are the delivery channel of banking sector? A, B, C or D? The delivery channel of banking sector. POS is the point of sale terminal. Okay, POS machine is what? Point of sale terminal. So let me know which of the following is correct here. The right statement or the right answer. Actually, the right answer will all of the above. All are the delivery channel. Your withdrawal through ATM or micro ATM. Actually, POS terminals are the micro ATM only. है ना? POS machine through input dealers and mobile banking with IMPS, immediate payment service. So all are the delivery channels of the banking sector. So your right answer will be D. All of the above. Next question. Next is talking about the common page is an example of which of the following? Is it an example of cryptocurrency, example of wearables, example of augmented reality, or example of virtual reality? Out of these 4, it is the example of which of the following? A, B, C or D? Example of which of the following? And the right answer is actually, it is the example of wearables, not a cryptocurrency, not AR or VR. Right answer is your wearables. So right answer is B here. Okay. Now, next question is talking about here that RBI, Reserve Bank of India, announced the launch of first pilot retail digital rupee on Dash. The pilot would cover select location in closed user group comprising of participating customers and merchants. Transaction can be both P2P and P2M. Okay, so first of all, when it comes to pilot project, wherever you read this word pilot, it means the scheme or the term, whatever we are launching, whatever we are introducing, we have introduced that but on the basis of trial, and we are doing trial on a certain part of the country, not on the whole country, but the certain part of the country. Like when we have started digital currency in the country, that is CBDC. So we have started with the 6 banks only. So that was a pilot project because we were trying it out. Is it going good or not? If it is going good, then we will apply it to the whole banks or whole country. And if not, and then we will take certain feedbacks like what are the issues we are facing in the pilot project. And then we will update them and then we will apply to the whole country. So retail digital rupee, that is CBDC, actually central bank digital currency, it was announced to be launched on the first pilot basis by Reserve Bank of India in which particular year? So December 15, 2020, December 31st, 2023, or December 1st, 2022, or we can say November 1st, 2020. So out of these, which is the date on which we have introduced the retail digital or retail digital rupee? And the right answer is December 1st, 2022. Right answer is C. And the wholesale digital rupee was introduced by RBI on 1st November 2022 for the wholesale. Okay, and after 1 month it was started for the retail as well. So right answer here is C option. Right answer will be your C option. Okay, and the currency we are talking about, central bank digital currency. That's the digital currency of RBI. Next. Conducting personal business during office time happens because which of the following reason? High work ethic and no respect for customer. Second, greed to earn more money. Third, question job security. Four, demotivated and distracted due to the denial of promotion. So what are the reasons because of which people are actually performing personal business during the office hours? A, B, C or D? Like why people are, like say for example, I am a banker, I am doing a banking job, and my timing is, let's say, morning 9 to evening 5 p.m. At the same time I am doing another work also. Let's say for example, I am working in a bank as well as I am working in edtech sector. So in the banking hours, in the work hours of mine, I am preparing notes also for the IE, IFS or PPB subject. So I am working as a content writer for, let's say, Adda 24/7 while working in a bank. So why I am doing that? Because I have a high work ethic or no respect for my customers. I have a greed to earn more money. I have a question job security. I have demotivated and distracted due to denial of promotion. So what do you think? What can be the reason why I am doing this? So answer will be your, obviously, I have greed to earn more money and demotivated and distracted due to the denial of promotion. So right answer will be second and fourth. Right answer will be what? Second and fourth. It means A option. Right answer is A option. Now, next question we have. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option in relation to the data encryption. The correct option related to data encryption we have to find out. And the question is talking about first statement. The process employs an algorithm which remains fixed and a key which is also fixed. Second statement is saying to protect the integrity of message transmitted, a suitable hash value or message digest is used. So out of these two statements, what do you think? Which statement is correct and which statement is incorrect? And we are talking about data encryption here. So A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is incorrect? Okay, and the right answer will be the first is incorrect, but the second is correct. Like the process employ an algorithm which remains fixed and a key which is also fixed. No, but the second is correct, that it protects the integrity of message transmitted, a suitable hash value or message digest is used. So statement 1 is incorrect, but the second statement is correct about the data encryption. So right answer will be your B option. Right answer is what? B. Next question we have, which among the following are the ways to deal with conflict of interest in an organization? Okay, so what are the ways in which we deal with the conflict of interest in an organization? Conflict of interest simply means like conflict in ideas, conflict in reasons why we are doing the task, okay, or objective behind it. First, identifying and preventing such conflicts. Second, setting up institutional control and mechanism for handling these as per the degree of potential risk. Third, full disclosure to the affected party so that they are aware of the potential impact. So out of these ways, which is correct to deal with the conflict of interest? A, B, C or D? Let me know. So you have to identify and prevent such conflicts. Second, set up the institutional control and mechanism for handling these as per the degree of potential risk. Third is saying full disclosure to the affected party so that they are aware of the potential impact. So if there is a conflict of interest, your ideas are conflicting, your purpose of doing the task is conflicting, your objective behind performing something is conflicting. In that situation, first, second, third, all the statements are correct to deal with this particular issue in an organization. So right answer will be your D, 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Okay, right answer is D. Now, next question we have. Again, a statement-based question it is, that is asking about read the following statement and choose the correct option in relation to the insider trading. So we have two statements here of the insider trading. We have to answer which statement is correct or incorrect. First is saying employees trading based on internal information of the client which is also available to the public amount to insider trading. Second, also dealing in the stock of the bank where one is employed based on significant information that is also available to the public amount to insider trading. So what do you think? Which of the following are the correct statement about insider trading? Also, in case of insider trading, SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, actually put a certain restriction and the penalty also. The penalty is if someone find out to be guilty of insider trading, the maximum penalty amount is 25 crore. This is the maximum amount. And the minimum or actual amount that will be charged, it depends on the case, individual case. Okay. And also SEBI said if someone give us the information, so that informant will get a reward of 1 crore amount. This is fixed. The informant, the person who is informing that the insider trading is happening and it is the right information, in that situation, the person will got a reward of 1 crore. So do remember these two also. And the both statement is wrong because it is saying information is available in the public amount. If already information is available in the public amount, how you can call it an insider trading? It's not an insider trading in that situation. So your right answer will be both are incorrect. Both statements are what? They are incorrect here. Because insider trading means when the selling and purchasing of share of a particular company have been done on the basis of its internal information. That is known as insider trading. So the information if available in the public amount, it's not an insider trading. So the right answer is D. Both are incorrect. Next, read the following statement and choose the correct option here. Again, two statements are there. First statement is saying professionals must take responsible care and judgment in maintaining independence and objectivity. Second is saying professional must not engage in conduct which might affect reputation and integrity. So what do you think? Which statement is correct here? First is saying professional must take reasonable care and judgment in maintaining the independence and objectivity. Second is saying professional must not engage in conduct which might affect the reputation and integrity of them. So A, B, C or D, which of the following is correct? And actually both the statements are correct in context to the professionals. Okay, so right answer will be your C option. They must engage in the conduct which might affect the reputation and integrity. They should not engage in such kind of activity. First is also correct. You have to take reasonable care and judgment in maintaining independence and objectivity. So right answer is both are correct. The C option is correct. Okay, both the statements are correct here. Next question we have. Maximum I have a statement based question today. So which among the following statement are incorrect about the philosophy of trusteeship? Correct about the philosophy of trusteeship, you have to answer A, B, C or D. Which of the following is correct? First is saying trustee have to create preserve and increase wealth in the expectation of enjoyment of wealth. Second, the philosophy of trusteeship has its origin in Bhagavad Gita, which tells about aparigraha, that is non-possession, and nishkam karma yoga, that is selfless work. So these two statements have been given for the trusteeship. Let me know which of the following is correct. So trustees have to create, preserve, increase wealth in expectations of the enjoyment of wealth. And the second philosophy of trusteeship has its origin from where? From the Bhagavad Gita, which tells about the aparigraha and the nishkam karma yoga, that is non-possession and selfless work. So let me know which of the following is correct here. A, B, C or D? Okay, so right answer here will be, if you talk about the first statement, that is saying that you have to do that to get the enjoyment of wealth, this is not true, but the second is true. So right answer is statement 1 incorrect, second is correct, so right answer will be B. Hana, you are not, trustees are not creating, preserving or increasing wealth in expectation of enjoyment of the wealth. So right answer is, your first is incorrect, but the second is correct. Right answer is B. Okay, their origin is true, but not the enjoyment of wealth is the reason behind working. Next, read the following statement and choose the correct option. That's from the module D. A lot of question I have taken from the module D. Module D is very small. If you are, let's say, if you are taking a paid batches in 5 to 6 hours, that's sufficient to clear your module D, है by with the proper understanding. So do make sure, and 15 to 20 marks question can be seen from the module D. So do make sure you cover it very carefully. Chalo. So first is saying ethics is a set of moral standards and values acceptable in a society and guides human behavior. Second, it holds people from taking decisions that may be beneficial to other or the society. So which of the following are correct here? A, B, C or D? And actually, ethics is a set of moral standards and values which are acceptable in a society, guides human behavior. That's true. Okay, second is saying it holds people from taking decisions that may be beneficial to others or society. No, actually ethics helps you to take decision which is for the maximum benefits, or which is for the benefit of maximum people of the society. So the second is not true, but the first is true. So first is correct, second is incorrect. Right answer will be A. Right answer will be your A option. Okay, next we have, acha, so these are the total questions we have discussed today. Now, first, let me know how many answers you have given correct, and do make sure keep practicing the questions, very important to practice. And this is the Mahapack I was talking about, which is available with the 81% discount plus the double validity. And the price will be 5,414 rupees plus the 1 year validity is available here. Apart from that, crash course already launched, AFM numerical batch is already launched. In the month of this April, you will find the revision batches also. So to enroll, first download the 24/7 application, and after downloading the application, what you have to do, simply go to the home page of application. You will find the exam category JIB, CIB there. है ना? So click on the JIB, CIB exam category. You will find all the batches available there. Scroll down, this is the JIB CIB category, है ना? Click on the JIB CIB category of exam. Then May 2024, and you will find Mahapack is available here. Okay, and this is the numerical batch. If you go with the numerical batch, it will cost you around, one second, around 500 something amount. Okay, and if you go for a crash course, it is for 3,700. If you go for the upcoming revision batches, I guess almost same price will be there of the crash course. So it's better to enroll in the Mahapack in 5,414 rupee. That will give you all the benefits. So how to enroll? Just go to the home page of the Mahapack, and you will find here all the comprehensive batches, all crash course, all revision batches, all numerical batches, all power pack revision batches. Everything is available with the topic wise test, full length test, everything. And this is your special feature in which mini and Maha marathons will also be available. After seeing that, click on the buy now option, enter a code here Y49696 and apply. Once you apply, you will find here 81% discount available if you apply the code Y496 on application. So this amount will be your 5,414 for the 1 year validity. So this is the best offer right now going on, and it will be available till 12 PM today. Okay, so if you want to enroll soon by using the code Y496. Apart from that, if you regularly want to join the YouTube session of Officers are 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, and this is all for today. We'll continue the same series in the next session also. We'll meet again tomorrow for the same series, and if you want to join the IEIFS English Medium series, do join the channel Officers are 24/7 in the evening at 7 PM. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone and have a good day.